And today we're going to make what I call Crock-Pot street tacos. No, we're not on the street, but we are using a crock-pot. We're going to start with some flank steak. The most important step is the first step. We're going to sear it. We've already got some butter going over here, and I'm going to stick this into the pan and sear it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the meat. We'll put that on this side. You'll want to use about 3 pounds of flank steak. We'll throw in a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And we'll wait for this to sear. Should be about 2 or 3 minutes aside. Okay, the searing is done. And it is now time to put it into the crock pot. With that done, I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add some pepper. I'll add some more salt. This time I'm going to go with something a little finer. We'll go with a little bit of sea salt. And this is a wonderful salsa. This is homemade salsa. I'll give you a link to the video so that you can do it yourself, or you can buy a hearty made salsa from New York City on your own. Depends on how you want to go. We're going to zest this up just a little bit by adding some orange juice to it, fresh squeezed. We're going to use a whole orange. One more time. My producer showed me this trick with the tongs. I would have never thought about that. I'm like, how the heck does that work? I was like, oh, that's simple. All right. And I've added in a half a cup of beef stock. And now, with that in mind, I'm going to set it on low and let it cook for 8 hours. Back in 8. Well, it's been 8 hours and we are ready to shred some meat. It is looking delicious. All right. Now, if you let this cook long enough, your meat will just fall apart. Makes it very easy to shred. Look at that. We're getting some really nice shreds in there. This will take a couple of minutes. We'll come back and we'll make a taco. And there you have it, the fully prepared street taco. I call it a street taco. It's the Crock-Pot street taco. Call it whatever you want. It's genuinely delicious. We're going to top it probably with a little bit of salsa that we made the other day. There's a recipe link down below in the comments. Meantime, if you'll forgive me, I've been waiting for this all night. As always, thank you for joining us.